Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about RBI, which is specially mentioned in Unit 6 of MPPSC pre-syllabus. And by the way, do you guys know who is the first Deputy Governor of RBI? If not, please make sure to watch this video till the end to know the answer. So let's get started. So RBI was established on April 1, 1935. This date is important. It can be directly asked in the prelims examination. So you have to keep this date in mind that RBI was established on April 1, 1935. Under which act was established? It was established under the Act of 1934. Now initially the headquarter of RBI was established in Kolkata, but later it was permanently moved to Mumbai in the year 1937. Another factual thing you have to keep in mind. In the beginning, RBI was privately owned, but since the nationalization in 1949, it is a fully owned subsidiary of the government of India. And now for the answer to the question in the beginning of video, the first deputy governor of the RBI was James Taylor. Now moving to the central board of the RBI. So the main function of the central board is to control all the Reserve Bank affairs. It is the governing body of the Reserve Bank of India. Now the board is appointed by the Government of India in accordance with the Reserve Bank of India Act. Now looking at its constitution, there are two types of director. One is official director, another one is non-official director. If PSC asks us who are the official directors of Central Board of Reserve Bank of India, so the answer would be the governor and not more than 4 deputy governors. So these are the full-time members of the Central Board. And non-official director, these are 10 directors from various fields and 2 government officials are included in them. Furthermore, another 4 directors are included, one each from 4 local boards. So what are these 4 local boards? One board is in Chennai, another one is in Delhi, third one is in Kolkata, fourth one is in Mumbai. Now looking at some important acts which are administered by Reserve Bank of India. So we have to keep the years in mind because PSC कई बार year directly पूछ लेता है. So this question has already been asked in PSC examination that FEMA Act was passed in which year? So it is the year of 1999. FEMA. So that is Foreign Exchange Management Act. Banking Regulation Act, you have to keep this in mind, 1949. Now if you have made it till the end of the video, here is some bonus facts for you. So the first governor of RBI was Osborne Smith. First Indian governor of RBI, Chintaman Deshmukh, also known as C.D. Deshmukh. You already know the first deputy governor of RBI. His name was James Taylor. And the first deputy governor of RBI of Indian origin, Sikandar Hayat Khan. Committee which you have to keep in mind is the Jalan Committee, which is related to the financial year of April to March. Okay. Longest serving governor of RBI, longest serving governor of RBI is Mr. Benegal Ramarao. Okay. So one important committee relating to RBI is the Monetary Policy Committee, commonly known as the NPC. It was established in the year 2016. It was proposed by Urjit Patel, the former governor of RBI. Okay. This committee consists of governor, deputy governor, and an executive director, plus 3 other members nominated by the Government of India. Okay. So these were the additional facts which are not so common. If this video enhanced your knowledge in some or the other way, please make sure to like this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such interesting MPPSC related content. Thank you.